Hey YouTube, it's your boy COD Plays here today, and it is at night right now, and today I'm bringing you guys another sniper and pistol challenge. Thank you, Pana, I think that's how you pronounce it, for giving this request again, and subscribing, and hope you guys enjoy. Please like and comment below, and enjoy. And at this one point in the game, there's this one sniper jumping on top at the window there. And hope you guys would take a look at that and see the whole video too. So yeah. This was an epic fail because I stopped shooting and he could have killed me. And then I get that. And look at this guy on the window. Look, after this. Boom. He's jumping up there. All happy and stuff. But then he gets killed by me with the headshot with the ballista. And here I just get a hit marker by a guy. I believe. Oh, I get killed here. Get killed there. I think it already has passed where I got the hit mark. Oh yeah, it did, I think. And then I get killed with that KSG here. Get a hit marker through the wall. Get killed here. Get that kill. That kill. I was trying to get a quad there, but I only got a triple. Get that. Sorry about the bad quality. Sometime in my channel I'll try and fix that. But for now, I have this. Trying to save up for capture card and stuff like that. So yeah. Here's the last kill, and boom, there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and comment below, and also comment what challenge would you like me to do next. The same, or SMG or something like that. Peace.